Well, that sure changed fast. I was just over on Mopar Insiders yesterday, and I noticed, wow, there is a big push to get the ICE version of their new Dodge Charger out. What's that all about? Well, why don't we discuss it a little bit? Roll the intro. So, welcome back, guys. So, after a big push for the Dodge Charger EV, there's suddenly a push for the ICE version. Now, what's that all about? Well, I think a lot of it has to do with the changing political climate in the US, and there's going to be a lot less restrictions on automakers. Not to say they're going to be having a free for all or anything, but they're definitely going to have a little more say and ability to build the vehicles that people want to buy. So let's get into the article here a little bit. So, in case you're looking at this on a phone or some sort of small screen, I will read some of the highlights to you. In an interesting turn of events, Dodge reportedly is accelerating the release of its upcoming Charger six pack internal combustion model. Production beginning 5 months ahead of schedule, originally planned for late 2025, will now be appearing early summer 2025. Sources close to MoparInsiders.com indicate that the shift comes as Dodge responds to consumer demand for performance focused combustion engine muscle cars. Well, I will applaud Stellantis on this one, and it looks like they may be waking up a bit and now realizing that they don't have a lot to offer customers, not a lot of stuff that people actually want to buy. So now they want to bring something out. I mean, there is a huge hole in the market in this sector right now because there's not a lot of car offerings in the domestic automakers. Most of the car offerings are actually in foreign automakers, at least affordable versions. So, anyhow, the six pack model reflects a strategic response to both shifting U.S. regulatory priorities and strong consumer demand, with President elect Donald Trump indicating plans to reevaluate the current EV mandates. What have I been saying? I've been saying that the government needs to back off and allow the market to decide if people want to buy their EVs. I mean, I'm not against EVs in any stretch of the imagination. I'm just against governments dictating to people what they can buy and what they can't buy. So if people they want to buy EVs, let them. But I don't think they should be using taxpayer dollars to fund these vehicles. They should allow people to buy them if they want them. If they want to buy a gasoline powered vehicle, let them. Anyhow, Dodge has yet to officially release the 2000. Okay, this is all about those. Where am I here? Okay, Dodge will debut a six-pack ICE model with two variants featuring a twin turbocharged 3.0-liter Hurricane inline-six engine. Dodge plans to offer these in two and four-door configurations, basically to replace the fact that they don't have the Challenger now. They just have the Charger, so they put it all on one platform. Fine, good cost-saving measure, but it can still, somebody wants a two-door can still have that, even though I kind of miss the Challenger, but I think the Charger probably makes a better all-round vehicle. There will be a standard output variant generating up to 420 horsepower for the four-door models and a high output reaching as much as 550 horsepower for the two-door version. Very impressive numbers, I must say. Not a Hemi, but definitely a high output six-cylinder engine. Now, what will be interesting to see is if these regulations from the government, the EPA, and CAFE standards, I mean, they're pretty much going already with the Chevron deference decision from a few months ago. But it'll be interesting to see if maybe they may bring back a newer version of the Hemi, maybe a higher fuel, more fuel efficient, more modernized version of the engine. I mean, hopefully they don't put too much stuff on it and make it horribly unreliable, because the Hemi was one heck of an engine. In addition, the Hurricane Inline 6 Dodge will enhance these models with distinctive six-pack badges, different front fascia, and mail slot opening for additional air cooling, and a power dome hood with the six-pack heat exchanger and rear exiting dual exhaust. In recent weeks, the Windsor, Ontario assembly plant has built a handful of these cars as mules. However, initial pilot models will begin production in December, 5 months ahead of schedule. So, yeah, this is going to lead into another video have done. I'm going to probably release this one first, regarding another iconic North American brand that could be making a comeback. I think it's going to make a comeback based on current market conditions, but we'll see. And yeah, this will give a good competitor to the Ford Mustang, which at the moment is flying solo. So, anyhow, what do you guys think? Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. Leave me a like if you like this type of content. Let me know that I need to keep producing it. Subscribe to the channel so that you'll be notified of any upcoming videos. Hit this bell icon so you make sure to get these notifications. And until next time, I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you in the next video.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.